Hello everybody, welcome back. I've gotten a lot done on the van and I'm feeling a little exhausted really. It's been project, tools, get stuff out, put stuff away, up, down, and it's just been, it's been a lot of work, a lot more work than I thought it would be, and actually a lot more money than I thought it would be too. Some of you might remember my original budget, my budget build. Right. The first thing I did right after that last video, what was that, the Jackery video, or I think it was, but I was I fixed air conditioning up front in the van and whatever else I did, and I was gonna go ahead and put the air conditioner in the back, which I did that day. I went back later and I read the comments that said about painting that black, and well, by that time I'd already put it in. I mean, I'm going to show you. So at the time I had some leftover white and I painted it white, but as soon as I closed the other door I realized I should paint that black. It would just look better. And then I read the comments on that other video that came out later, and I know some of you had suggested that. Well, so that's still going to happen. Yeah, I have it's a little bit warm today, not too bad, but I have the generator running. The air conditioner's plugged in, it's running, it's nice and cool in the van. But you notice I have the e-bike on here too. What was the latest project? I'm going to mention too, I messed up. Yeah, I messed up. I put the roof vent, that max air fan in, and I didn't put the rain cover on it. But when it's closed, it's not a problem, and it's all sealed and caulked, not a problem. But I thought, I just got to remember, until I get that cover on there, I just have to remember to make sure I shut that in case any rain comes. Well, wouldn't you know, it did, and I forgot, and it rained, the bed got all wet, and fortunately the following day it was dry, really dry and warm, and so I got everything out and all dried out thoroughly and everything put back together, and I ran and I got that max air vent cover. So that's on there. What else have I done? I had to modify this cargo rack. I did some cutting. Let me shut this off for a minute. That way I don't have to yell. I had to modify this cargo rack. I got some 3/4 inch square tubing, and I cut this. This used to be round and come out right over here. So I cut that round section out, and I built a rectangular thing in here to trap the front wheel in there. And then because the bike was just a little bit longer than the cargo rack was, and I'd do the same thing. I had to extend out this corner here. So went and got that material and cut and welded and repainted that. And two, I had to slide the generator and the bike just fit in there. They actually rubbed each other a little bit, so I extended back in this area too, and moved the generator back 4 inches so I could access the front panel of it, and that's not a problem. So that's and it's still not quite done. I did weld in a post up here, something to rest the bike against and strap it to. That's almost done. I got to do maybe a little bit more to that. The other thing is I have that extension cord running in through the weather stripping of the door. Probably the next on the list is going to be, and I have it, it's back at the shop. I got to cut a hole maybe here in the corner, or maybe in the door. There's a weatherproof style plug that I'll just modify that extension cord to be a short one. It'll just come here, lift up the weather cap, and I'll plug that extension cord in there. And then from the inside, it has another plug where I'll plug in from there that will go to the air conditioner and anything else I might have. So that's next on the list. I gotta get that painted, get that finished up. What else? Solar system is coming after all. I don't know what I was thinking. That Jackery, I mean, it's cool. I mean, it's everything I said it was. The trouble with portable solar panels is they're only good if you're sitting somewhere, and that's fine if you're camping somewhere for a couple of days or a week. You can have, sit them outside and during the day, and then depending on where you're at, you might want to put them away at night so something doesn't happen to them. So then out the next day, in and out, in and out. And you know, if you're traveling in the daytime, they don't do you any good. So there's a whole, I ordered a system from Renogy. I'm going to put 400 watts on the roof. And the thing is, this roof needs a little bit of attention up here. Yeah, it's a 20-year-old van, so yeah, it's got some of that going on. And I just got back. We stopped. I got a step ladder and my orbital sander and some white Rust-Oleum paint. I gotta go around and treat some of the areas on that roof. I think I'll do that tomorrow. And then I gotta dig out the ladder racks. It's funny, they're kind of similar. I don't know if you can see that van over in the distance. It's pretty close to almost the same thing as this one. But the type of racks that I have for this, that were on it, they go at an angle up and over. There's a peak, so you can put a ladder on each side. And you know, you might say, hey, that's great. A couple of them are already angled for maybe getting a better angle to the sun. Well, yeah, 2 of them are, but then 2 of them are worse. So it kind of cancels each other out. So it's gonna go flat, kind of like that style is. But I have to do more modification to them. You know, I have the end pieces. Well, I'll use the end pieces that clamp on the gutter of the roof. I'll put them up there as is, but then I'm gonna get a piece angle iron and cut it right, weld it in place, and then I'll cut out the section that's peaked, and then I'll be left with, yeah, just the 2 clamps and a piece of angle iron that goes across front and back, and then 2 more pieces of angle iron to connect to run rails down to put the panels on. And then there's the weatherproof thing that the cables will go down through. 40, I think a 40 amp MPPT charge controller, all that stuff coming. And I don't know what else is coming, but stuff is coming. So, and I ordered a cover for the air conditioner. What else? Something came from Bella. Something came for Bella. That's probably gonna be a surprise. I might unbox that in the next video. I think you'll like that. So it's I can't. I almost gave it away. So what else is going on with it? Let me think a minute. The inside. I have not a lot has changed in there, but I have started the kitchenette kind of thing that goes in there, the unit that'll be a workstation and a place that has some pantry shelves and maybe a place for the microwave, coffee pot, that sort of thing. That is started. I'll get back to that as soon as, you know, I got all these things on my list. It's like it's a lot of work. It's just I get to feeling exhausted at times. Believe me, I do. What else? Oh, I sent out some stickers today. One of them is a little bit late. I apologize for that, but it'll be there soon. If anybody wants the stickers, they're down in the video description. On every video on the beginning, at the description, yeah, down below, there's instructions on how to get a sticker if you want those. I still have a good many of those. They're always available. Anything else? Yeah, we should say hi to Bella. She's in the van where it's still cool. I'm going to start the generator back up and we'll go say hi to Bella. Where's the button? All right. Hang on a minute. That air conditioner is such a light load for this generator. You barely even notice that it kicks on. Oh, hang on. Ooh, hang on. Bella, what do you think, girl? Been a lot going on. We have been busy. And this air conditioner, as I said, I fixed it in the last video. It has been working tremendously. Put it on max air. this thing starts kicking. Well, it was just running, so it doesn't take, yeah, it was really nice cool air. And the one in the back is running. So yeah, we're doing okay in here, aren't we? Huh? That's the quick update for today. I don't know. Well, yeah, I'll be back. I'll show you the unboxing of this thing I got for Bella, or I might wait till some of that solar stuff gets in. I don't know. Or we might take a little road trip in between just to get a break. We're due for another break too. It is. It's been a It's been a lot. So, all right. Thanks for checking in. I'll see you soon.